If you want business success, or a better relationship, or anything better in your life, you have to change your thoughts. Albert Einstein once said, you can't solve a problem from the same level in which it was created. So let me give you an example. Many years ago, ships were made out of wood. Now that makes sense, right? Wood floats. However, today, virtually all Navy ships are made out of iron. But iron sinks. You see, someone had to change their thoughts just to start examining the way things float. What makes things float. Not what floats, but what makes things float. And by changing that thought process, changing that level of thinking, the seemingly impossible has been created. See, if you don't have things in your life that are going well for you, and you want to change certain areas of your life, you have to change your level of thinking. If you want more peace in your life, if you want better relationships in your life, if you want more successful business in your life, if you want a better working environment in your life, then you need to change your level of thinking. Start your fearless thinking steps right now.